I was 16 years old and I was diving in Greece, and suddenly I realized that I came across more plastic bags than fish. I thought, well, why can't we just clean this up? So then I came up with this passive system that's attached to the seabed and really allows the ocean to clean itself. In the past, the story has always been, okay, we can't clean it up, so the best thing we can do is not make it worse. So sure, we should prevent more plastic from entering the oceans, but that's not a solution for the plastics already trapped in these offshore gyres. There are 5 areas in which the plastic in the ocean concentrates. They are called gyres, and the current there rotates. Because it's positioned in an angle, in a V shape, the plastic gets pushed towards the center, becoming 100,000 times more concentrated. Most of the plastic right now is in the big stuff, so hasn't yet fragmented down to those microplastics, which means it's actually easier to clean up than we thought it would be, and we can still clean it up before it turns into these very dangerous microplastics. And now we've been able to show that with one system, in 10 years' time, we can clean up half the Great Pacific Garbage Patch.